So the work of an SEO optimizer is to improve websites ranking on search engines like Google, so it gets more traffic. Yeah, so SEO stands for search engine optimization. So here you're making sure that your website is well blessed so that whenever people search for things related to that website shows up on the top. So for example, when I went and searched for example of a web developer portfolio, these guys showed up: Hostinja, then Screambar, and Upwork. So based on these three, I can say that these guys are doing a good job optimizing this page, this exact page to show up whenever someone searches for web developer portfolio. You get the idea? So your job as a web or as a SEO optimizer is to find a keyword, which is this, and optimize a page which can be like this, so that whenever someone searches that keyword, your page shows up on the top. Remember, it's been found that the top results, that's number one, gets more clicks than this. So the more the less you go down, or the more you go down, the less clicks they get. And that's exactly why people want to rank number one on Google. It's because to get traffic. So for you to be these guys, SEO optimizer, you need to understand keyword research, content optimization, understand technical SEO factors, and you need to familiarize yourself with analytics tools. So let me take you step by step what this means. Number one, keyword research. So I told you keyword. So keyword is this. This is what people type into Google when they are looking for information. Yeah. So for example, if I am looking for best phones in Kenya, for example, so this is a keyword. Yeah, this is a keyword. Now, as an SEO optimizer, you need to know how to look for this specific keyword, how to find keywords, or how to find things people are, or keywords that people are typing into search engines when they are looking for information related to your website. And to do that, there are some tools that you can use, like I love this keywordtool.io. We have other ones like Ahrefs. These guys allows you to do free keyword ideas, analysis or research. Also, we have what do they call this guy, Ubersuggest. So Ubersuggest also is another tool that you can use to do keyword research. Yeah, so once you found the keyword, you need to know how to optimize that keyword, or how to incorporate those keywords on the content. Yeah, on the content. And once you know how to, once you've done that, you need to understand technical. So there is the soft bit of a SEO optimization. That is, you just make sure that you've repeated that keyword a number of times. So if we search for example, in this website, we search for portfolio, we'll see that they've talked about it a lot of time. As you can see, 69 times. Now let's look at web developer portfolio. They've talked about it 29 times. Yeah, they've talked about the 29 times. So that's the soft bit, that's the content optimization bit of it. As you can see, they've repeated that keyword a lot of times, and it is on the URL, it is on the title, all that. And if we look at this image, I'm sure it is on the text also. As you can see, with developer portfolios, that's the bit of optimization. Yeah, but there is now the technical. The technical is what you won't see. For example, if we look at there is the backlink, how many links are pointing to this page. Yeah, how many links are pointing to this page, how fast does this page load, because remember that will also influence whether you rank number one for that keyword that you're targeting. So there's all of that, and then of course you need to familiarize yourself with analytic tools. Now, is SEO optimization for you. So it is for you if you are an analytical individual and you enjoy the challenge of driving results. Because remember, whenever someone hires you to help them optimize their website for SEO, they want results. They want to see clicks, they want to see traffic, they want to see sales. So you need to be someone who enjoys that challenge, that drive results, and you need to be fascinated with how search engine works. So you need to actually understand how Google ranks pages, how Google ranks websites. So you need to know that. The other thing is to find clients. The best thing is to pitch your services to local clients. So it's very easy. So for example, of course, I once in a while do SEO. I do SEO for my own website. As you can see, I own this website, font.co.ke, and as you can see, I rank around number 4 for these keyword best fonts in Kenya. So if I was selling these services, I would go to these guys. For example, these guys who rank down here. Let's look at this one, Font Store Kenya. So these guys, they rank on page 2 for these keyword best fonts in Kenya. I could talk to them and be like, hey, I can help you rank number 1 for this keyword, but this is how much I charge. I charge around 50,000 Kenya shillings per month to help you rank number 1 on Google for this keyword. So that's the best way to get these guys. Show them results. Be like, hey, I have helped, say, these guys rank for this keyword, and they rank number 1 on Google for that keyword. I can do the same for you. It's that simple. But remember also, you need a portfolio because these guys, they want to see results. So you need to have a central place that you share what you've done, so you can be writing case studies. I helped company A in, for example, agribusiness website to get this traffic per month through Google. I helped company P get this and all that, and the pay is around $25 to $75 per hour. But of course, this is if you're dealing with international clients. But if you're talking local clients, charge per month or per week, so whichever.